risking his Corvette.
No.
It's signed in 1985.
He's only got a couple years left.
Outside breakdown.
5,000 maybe?
Yeah.
Whatever it's six.
Robert Allen, that's it. That's Corvette.
Corvette won. Corvette fucking won.
Oh, dude. Yeah, 12-second gun.